Hi friends, I'm Tirak, you're watching Technivi Unique, and today we're going to see how to check the inbox in your Tumblr application for your Tumblr account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to check the inbox in your Tumblr application, just going to show this video. If anyone just asks something like just going to ask some questions, I just going to paste a link here. So click on the setting option. Now you have this option called inbox. Click this. So here you can see all the ask question, and you can see how it's going to be. So I have three inbox here. You can have the three options like report, post, or block, or delete. So you can just easily delete the if you just don't want the message or ask question or ask answer on your inbox. Just click on the setting option. Then click on the inbox option. This is how you just check your inbox messages or inbox on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Technivi Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.